I am back at this house. The home warranty has approved capacitor replacement for that unit. Did not approve capacitor replacement for that unit or the evaporator replacement. We'll replace this one.
You guys fixed it, AC, yes?
That's because there's cameras all over the frickin' place. Just go wire for wire back. Blue went on Herm or compressor. It's loose. I like to squeeze these things down a bit. Gives it a good tight connection. And this one, it's not a good tight connection. They may be broken. Sometimes they break when you close them down. They're just little connectors. They're not hard to go back and replace. Those two are kind of being a pain. I'm gonna go ahead and replace those two. They just don't have a good tight connection. Alright, new connectors, got a good tight fit now. Old capacitor, it's not that far off. There's the tag for it. 35.5 plus minus 7 or 5%. So we got it set to MFD. 33 for the compressor and 4.9 for the fan. Calculator 35 minus 5%, 33.25. So we're under it, but barely under it. I think when I checked it when I was here the first time, it was like 32. Just gets better with age. So that's done. I'm just gonna close it back up and turn it on. I think the capacitor on the other unit is worse, but I don't know. Home warranty picks and chooses what they want to do. This would also be better if the home warranty would just approve it the same day instead of me having to come out twice. I was going to do it on the capacitor itself, but we'll do it on the outside.